Okay, people, so while we're having fun, let me share some of the things I've been meditating about, calculating 15 years of marriage, right? You can share with your friends after you listen to it. I don't advise you to get married. Yes, did you listen to me? Did you hear what I said? Don't get married. I'll give you 10 reasons why you shouldn't get married, right? But if you can deal with those 10 reasons, then you can get married. Otherwise, don't get married. Marriage is a lot. If you cannot deal with these issues I'm going to mention now, don't get married. Otherwise, you trap yourself in a box and you'll be disposed in that box at the end of your life. So don't get married if you cannot love unconditionally. I repeat, don't get married if you cannot love unconditionally. Number 2, don't get married if you cannot forgive and forget. Yeah, so those of you who are saying you can forgive but you cannot forget, please, in marriage, you've got to forget. So don't get married if you know you cannot forgive and forget. Be on your own. Yes, don't say I didn't tell you. Maybe I'll make this point 15, maybe one for each year. Number 3, if you're a man, don't get married if you're not ready to spend money. Yes, young man, listen to me. Don't get married if you're not ready to spend money. Marriage is expensive. The expenses you incur during wedding is not the cost of marriage. The cost of marriage is after the wedding. If you're not ready to spend money, make money and spend money, please don't get married. Number 3, if you're a lady and you're not ready to respect a man, I beg of you, don't get married. Don't get married. You remember, it's not a must everybody should be married. It's not. God only suggested that it's not good for anybody to be alone. He did not say you cannot be alone. So please, if you're a woman and you are not willing to submit to a man, please don't get married. Number 5, if you're a man and you are not willing to work hard and defend your family, don't get married. Please defend only yourself, because when you get married, if God permits you, you're going to have children, and it will be your absolute responsibility to protect your wife and your children. If you are not ready to lay down your life for somebody else, please don't get married. I'm advising you now. I say no Mario. Number 6, a woman who is not willing to care, please don't get married. You don't want to lose